Exercise 3.6 question 1. Solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Part 1. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. Similarly, 1 by 3x can be written as 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by x plus 1 by 2y can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by y, that is equal to 13 upon 6. This is equation 2. So let 1 by x be equal to a and 1 by y be equal to b. So equation 1 becomes 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b is equal to 2. यहाँ ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं कि वो 1 बाई एक्स को ए एज्यूम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने लगते हैं तो वो इसे 2a लिखते हैं, जो कि मिस्टेक है क्योंकि हमने 1 बाई 2x को ए एज्यूम नहीं किया है, हमने 1 बाई एक्स को ए एज्यूम किया है. तो उसके बेसिस पे हमें ध्यान रखना है कि ये 1 बाई 2a रहेगी. सो लेट अस टेक एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज 6. तो वैल्यूज़ क्या बनेंगी? 3a प्लस 2b इज इक्वल टू 2. Take 6 to the right hand side. The equation will become 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now let us say this is equation 3 and equation 2 becomes 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b is equal to 13 upon 6. Let us take LCM. LCM is 6. So values will be 2a plus 3b, that is equal to 13 upon 6. This implies 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6 multiplied by 6. 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. What remains is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Let us say this is equation 4. Multiply equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 3. Equation becomes 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. And another equation is 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. So let us say this is equation 5. And 6a plus 9b is equal to 39 is equation 6. Now subtract equation 5 from equation 6. What do we get? We get 6a plus 9b is equal to 39 minus 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. क्योंकि हम subtract कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज होंगे. 6a plus 6a and minus 6a gets cancelled out. What remains is 5b is equal to 15. From there we get b is equal to 15 upon 5. So that implies b is equal to 3. अब हमारे पास b की वैल्यू आ गई है. a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम ऊपर वाली दोनों इक्वेशंस में से किसी में भी b की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. अपने in our case putting value of b in equation 5. So equation will become 6a plus 4 into 3 is equal to 24. That implies 6a plus 12 is equal to 24. That implies 6a is equal to 24 minus 12. That is equal to 12. So that implies 6a is equal to 12. So a is equal to 12 upon 6. That is equal to 2. So value of a is equal to 2. But we know a is equal to 1 by x and 1 by that implies 1 by x is equal to 2. So x is equal to, so cross multiply and we get 2x is equal to 1. So that implies x is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly 1 by y is equal to b and we know value of b is 3. So that means 1 by y is equal to 3 and 3y is equal to 1. From here we can say y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is our answer. where value of x is equal to 1 by 2 and value of y is equal to 1 by 3. Part 2. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. अब दोनों में कौन सी टर्म कॉमन है? दोनों इक्वेशन में 1 upon root x and 1 upon root y. So let us assume them. 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y is equal to b. So the equations will become 2 upon a plus 3 upon b is equal to 2. Similarly, second equation will become 4 upon a. So the equations will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. And second equation will become, let us say this is equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 becomes 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So let us say this is equation 4. Let us solve equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. To do that, multiply equation 3 by 2. It becomes 4a plus 6b is equal to 4. And let us say this is equation 5. Now subtract equation 4 from equation 5. So 4a plus 6b is equal to 4 minus 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. क्योंकि हम इक्वेशंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज हो जाएंगे. जो प्लस है वो माइनस, जो माइनस है वो प्लस. 4a and minus 4a gets cancelled out. What remains is 15b is equal to 5. So that implies b is equal to 15. b is equal to 5 upon 15. So that means b is equal to 1 by 3. Now to find the value of a, we will put the value of b in equation 3. So equation 3 becomes 2a plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. What remains is 2a plus 1 is equal to 2. 2a is equal to 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 2. But we know 1 by root x is equal to a, or we can say a is equal to 1 by root x. So and that is equal to 1 by 2. So it implies 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. And that means root x is equal to 2. So squaring both the sides, we will get x is equal to 4. Now we also know the value of b. b is equal to 1 by 3. And we know that b is equal to 1 by root y. So we can say 1 by root y is equal to b, that is equal to 1 by 3. This implies root y is equal to 3. And squaring both sides to get the value, to find the value of y. So y is equal to 9. अब हमारे पास दोनों वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू आ गई है. दैट मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 9. दिस इज आवर आंसर. पार्ट 3. 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. So this implies 4 into, that means 4 into 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. Let us say this is equation 1. 3 into 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Let us say this is equation 2. Now let us assume 1 by x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So equation 1 will become 4a plus 3b is equal to 14. So let us say this is equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 becomes 3a minus 4b is equal to 23. So let us say this is equation 4. Now let us solve equation 3 and 4 to find the values of a and b. So for that, first multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 4. So let us multiply equation 3 by 3. It becomes 12a plus 9b is equal to 42. This is equation 5. And equation 4 will become 2a minus 16b is equal to 92. So let us say this is equation 6. Now subtract equation 5 from 6. We will get 12a minus 16b is equal to 19 minus 12a plus 9b is equal to 42. क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज होंगे. जो प्लस है वो माइनस हो जाएगा, जो माइनस है वो प्लस हो जाएगा. प्लस 12a and minus 12a gets cancelled out. Minus 16b and minus 9b comes out to be 25b minus 25b, that is equal to 50. So b is equal to 50 upon minus 25. So value of b is equal to minus 2. अब हमारे पास b की वैल्यू आ गई है. a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम b की वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे इक्वेशन 3 में. So equation will become 4a plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. So that implies 4a minus 6 is equal to 14. That implies 4a is equal to 14 plus 6, that is equal to 20. So 4a is equal to 20. So that means a is equal to 20 upon 4, that is equal to 5. So value of a is 5. Now we know both the values, value of a and b. But we know 1 by x is equal to a, that is equal to 5. From here I can say 5x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 5. Similarly, value of b is equal to minus 2 and that is equal to y. So value of y is minus 2. Now we have both the values, value of x and value of y. Value of x is equal to 1 by 5 and value of y is equal to minus 2. This is our answer. Part 4. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. So what is common in both the equations? 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. The first equation can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. And second equation can be written as 6 upon 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now let us assume 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So equation 1 will become 5a plus 1b is equal to 2 and equation 2 will become 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So let us say 5a plus b is equal to 2 as equation 3. Similarly, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1 is equation 4. Now let us solve equation 3 and 4 to find the value of a and b. For that, what will we do? We'll multiply equation 3 by 6, 3 by 3. So equation 3 will become 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. Now we will add equation 4 and equation 5. We will get 6a minus 3b is equal to 1 plus 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. Minus 3b and plus 3b gets cancelled out और क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं इसलिए हमने साइंस चेंज नहीं किए. So what remains is 21a is equal to 7. From here what we get, a is equal to 7 upon 21, that is equal to 1 by 3. So value of a is equal to 1 by 3. अब put value of a in equation 3. What do we get? 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. So that implies 5 upon 3 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Let us take LCM. LCM is 3. So values will be 6 minus 5 upon 3. That is equal to 1 upon 3. So value of b is also 1 upon 3. But we know that a is equal to 1 by x minus 1 and that is equal to 1 by 3. So that means 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply, we get x minus 1 is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So value of x is 4. Similarly, b is equal to 1 by 3, but we know b is also equal to 1 by y minus 2. So that means 1 by y minus 2 is also equal to 1 by 3. So let us cross multiply, we get y minus 2 is equal to 3. So that implies y is equal to 3 plus 2. So that means value of y is equal to 5. So now we have both the values, value of x and y. Value of x is 4 and value of y is 5. This is our answer. Part 5. 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So this can be written as 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Similarly, 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So from here, x and x gets cancelled out. What remains is 7 upon y minus, similarly y and y gets cancelled out. What remains is 2 upon x. So equation becomes 7y minus 2x is equal to 5. So now this equation becomes similar to our part 1 and 2. Similarly, equation 2 can also be written as 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. X and x gets cancelled out, y and y gets cancelled out. So what remains is 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. So that means 8 multiplied by 1 by y plus 7 multiplied by 1 by x is equal to 15. This is equation 2. So let 1 by y is equal to a and let 1 by x is equal to b. So equation 1 will become 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. Similarly, equation 2 will become 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. So in order to find the value of a and b, let us solve equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 2 becomes 8a plus 7b is equal to 15, that is equation 4. So multiply equation 3 by 7 and equation 4 by 2. So what do we get? Equation 3 becomes 49a minus 14b is equal to 35. So let us say this is equation 5. Similarly, equation 4 will become 16a plus 14b is equal to 30. So let us say this is equation 6. Now let us solve this with elimination method. Add both the equations, equation 5 and equation 6. So 49a minus 14b is equal to 35 plus 16a plus 14b is equal to 30. क्योंकि हम ऐड कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So minus 14b and plus 14b gets cancelled out. What remains is 65a is equal to 65. So a is equal to 65 upon 65, that is equal to 1. So that means value of a is equal to 1. Now put this value of a in equation 3 to find the value of b. So equation 3 becomes 7 into 1 minus 2b is equal to 5. That implies 7 minus 2b is equal to 5. So minus 2b is equal to 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. So minus 2b is equal to minus 2, minus and minus gets cancelled out. 2b is equal to 2. That implies b is equal to 2 upon 2. So that is b is equal to 1. But we know 1 by a is equal to 1 by y, that is equal to 1. So that means y is also equal to 1. Similarly, b is equal to 1, but we know b is also equal to 1 by x. So that means 1 by x is equal to 1. So that implies x is equal to 1. अब हमारे पास दोनों की वैल्यूज़ आ गई हैं x और y की. दोनों की वैल्यू क्या है? 1. पार्ट 6. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. सो राइट हैंड साइड में कांस्टेंट वैल्यू लाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम एक्स वाई से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो इक्वेशंस विल बिकम 6x अपॉन एक्स वाई प्लस 3y अपॉन एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 6xy अपॉन एक्स वाई. एक्स वाई एंड एक्स वाई गेट्स कैंसल्ड आउट. हियर y and y get cancelled out. x and x gets cancelled out. So equation becomes 6 अपॉन y प्लस 3 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू 6. अब ये हमारे क्वेश्चन 1 के पार्ट 1 जैसा ही केस बन गया है. अब इसमें हमें पता है कि 1 बाई वाई और 1 बाई एक्स को ज्यूम किया जाएगा. सिमिलरली इक्वेशन 2 बिकम्स, जब इक्वेशन 2 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे एक्स वाई से, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? 2x अपॉन एक्स वाई प्लस 4y अपॉन एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 5xy अपॉन एक्स वाई. एक्स वाई एंड एक्स वाई गेट्स कैंसल्ड आउट. y and y gets cancelled out. x and x gets cancelled out. What remains is 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. So this is equation 2. Let us say this. Now we will assume the value of 1 by y and 1 by x. Let 1 by y is equal to a and 1 by x is equal to b. So equation 1 becomes 6a plus 3b is equal to 6. Similarly, equation 2 becomes 2a plus 4b is equal to 5. So let us say this is equation 4. So let us solve equation 3 and 4 to find the value of a and b. Multiply equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 6. So equation becomes 12a plus 6b is equal to 12. Let us say this is equation 5. Now in order to find the value of a and b, let us solve equation 4 becomes 12a plus, so equation 4 will become 12a plus 24b is equal to 30. So let us say this is equation 6. Let us subtract equation, so what it will become 12a plus 6b is equal to 12 minus 12a plus 24b is equal to 30. क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज होंगे, प्लस will become minus and minus will become plus. Plus 12a gets cancelled with minus 12a, so what remains is minus 18b is equal to minus 18. From here we get value of b. b is equal to minus 18 upon minus 18, so that is equal to 1. अब b की वैल्यू आ गई है, a की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए हम इस वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे. So putting the value of b in equation 3, we get 6a plus 3 into 1 is equal to 6. So that implies 6a plus 3 is equal to 6. 6a is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 upon 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. अब हमारे पास a की वैल्यू भी आ गई है और b की वैल्यू भी आ गई है. But we know a is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2, that implies y is equal to 2. Similarly, value of b is equal to 1 and we know b is equal to 1 by x, so that means x is also equal to 1. अब हमारे पास दोनों वैल्यूज आ गई हैं x और y की. x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This is our answer. Part 7. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. So let us assume 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and upon x minus y is equal to b. So equations will become 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 and 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. So equation 1 becomes 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Let us say this is equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 becomes 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. So let us say this is equation 4. Let us solve equation 3 and 4 to find the value of a and b. For that we will be multiplying equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. So we will get equation 3 becomes 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. So this is equation 5. Similarly, equation 4 becomes 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. So this is equation 6. So let us solve them. Adding equation 5 and 6, we get 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Plus 10b and minus 10b gets cancelled out. What remains is 80a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 16 upon 80, that is equal to 1 by 5. So value of a is equal to 1 by 5. Now to find the value of b, put the value of a in equation 3. We get 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. So that 5 2's are 10. So it becomes 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. That implies 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. So that implies 2b is equal to 2. So that implies value of b is equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. So value of b is equal to 1. Now we have both the value of a and b. But we know a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and that is equal to 1 by 5. This implies 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. That implies x plus y is equal to 5. So let us say this is equation 7. Similarly, we know 1 upon x minus y is equal to b and that is equal to 1. So that implies 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 and x minus 1 is also equal to 1. So let us say this is equation 8. Now adding equation 7 and 8, we get x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Plus y and minus y gets cancelled out. What remains is 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. तो हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आ गई है. अब हमें y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. So to find the value of y, we will put the value of x in equation 7. We get 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. This implies y is equal to 2. So अब हमारे पास दोनों वैल्यूज आ गई हैं. x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is our answer. Part 8. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So this is equation 2. So let us assume, let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. Similarly, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So equation 1 becomes a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So let us say this is equation 3. Similarly, equation 2 becomes, so let us take this 4 on the left hand side. So it will get multiplied with both a and b. So equation will become 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Now equation 2 becomes 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2b is equal to minus 1 by 8. So that means a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. That implies a minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Cross multiply, what do we get? 2 ones, 2 4s are 8. So what remains is a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. So that implies, take this 4 on the left hand side, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Take this equation and this equation to solve the value of a and b. Let us call this equation as 4. So let us add equation 3 and equation 4. What do we get? Subtract equation 3 from equation 4. What do we get? 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Minus 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. क्योंकि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइंस चेंज हो जाएंगे. Plus 4a and minus 4a gets cancelled out. What remains is minus 8b is equal to minus 4. Minus and minus gets cancelled out. What remains is 8b is equal to 4. So that implies b is equal to 4 upon 8. So that is b is equal to 1 by 2. अब हमारे पास b की वैल्यू आ गई है. a की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम b की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. पुट वैल्यू ऑफ b इन इक्वेशन 3. We get 4a plus 4 into 1 by 2 that is equal to 3. 4 and 4, 2 2s are 4. So what it becomes, 4a plus 2 is equal to 3. So that implies 4a is equal to 3 minus 2. So that means 4a is equal to 1. So value of a is equal to 1 by 4. अब हमारे पास a की वैल्यू भी आ गई है. But we know a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y that is equal to 1 by 4. So let us cross multiply. What do we get? 3x plus y is equal to 4. So let us say this is equation 5. Similarly, we know the value of b. b is equal to 1 by 2. But we know b is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. So that implies 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. And that implies 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is equation 6. So let us solve equation 5 and 6 to find the value of x and y. Let us add equation 5 and 6. 3x plus y is equal to 4 plus 3x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y and minus y gets cancelled out. What remains is 6x is equal to 6. So value of x is equal to 6 upon 6. So that means value of x is equal to 1. So now put the value of x in equation 5. What do we get? 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. It implies y is equal to 4 minus 3 that is equal to 1. अब हमारे पास x और y दोनों की वैल्यू आ गई है. Value of x is equal to 1 and value of y is also equal to 1. This is our answer. Question 2.